Hi, I'm Jason Saft, interior designer, founder of Stage to Sell Home, and I'm excited to introduce you to the Plaza. When you think of the Plaza, images, history, it all just comes into your head, and that's what I wanted to translate when designing this space. And the result is a glamorous 4-bedroom duplex apartment, and I can't wait to show you around. When designing a great room of this size, and it's truly a great room, it's so large that it can have challenges. But my job is to take those challenges and create opportunities. I segmented each space so that you could have 4 distinct zones within the great room to relax, to take in the park view, to sit and have a drink, and also maybe to play a couple songs on the piano that dates back to the 1800s. For the living area, I brought in a rug that has a nice shine to it. The 2 semicircular couches and then a large round coffee table create an ideal conversation pit in a square-shaped room. As we work our way up, I took out the other light fixture, put in something with a little bit more chicness to it, and you'll notice I introduced quite a bit of symmetry in the art, the accessories, even the furniture, to help elevate an already elegant room. And speaking of elevated, follow me to my favorite area in this room. There's nothing more old world luxury than a little area to have cocktails and cigars in your own home. I took advantage of this custom bar to create another seating area. And I anchored it with a circular rug and the circular coffee tables to make the space feel less boxy. I wanted to add some glamour to the wall, so I added 2 stone facade consoles and these 4 mirrors which reflect the light and the views. This dining room is where I made the most dramatic transformation. It was originally 4 different colors. The only thing I couldn't change was the upholstery on the walls. So I took those ideas, used a high gloss minty green paint to make the ultimate jewel box dining room. From there, I decided to really mix things up. From the traditional table to the modern chairs to the florals to the artwork, I wanted to juxtapose all these different eras and time periods to create a room that feels truly original. How could you design an apartment at the Plaza and not reference Eloise? The large cabana stripes on the wall, the chinoiserie dresser. I read through the books and pulled all the color palettes and the whimsical nature of it and designed a space that would appeal to both kids and adults who've grown up loving one of the most cherished children's books of all time. The guiding principle for the primary suite was softness. It's winged off from the rest of the apartment, and I wanted it to feel like a world onto its own. So I did that by keeping the color palette very soft and neutral. I didn't want anything to distract from the triple exposure, but I did want to add in a beautiful mirror to bring in that Central Park view so when you wake up, it's the first thing that you see. I hope you enjoyed taking a look inside this fabulous apartment I designed at the iconic Plaza residences. And I always tell people when you're designing your own space, surround yourself with the things that you love and don't be afraid to be bold, just like I did here.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.